children. I like dancing, I like going out, I like swimming, I like sauna, I like steam. Whatever you do, I love.
Thank you. Daddy, 1 minute. This Musisi has a gift for you. This one reads from Ginger. Originally Ginger. Abedinda muliwa. This one is from this Musisi. Olimwana wa Idinda originally.
Yeah. DJ. I want to sing something and you follow me. Will you follow? Okay, I'm singing you one Eksoga song. One Eksoga song. Will you follow? Will you follow? DJ, follow me. Bana tusangaire, bagere tusangaire, tusangaire, bagere tusangaire, nokuwa. Abagere baisu, bagere tusangaire, nokuwa. Abagere baisu, bagere tusangaire, 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 bagere tusangaire. Thank you.
Make some noise for my dad in the building tonight. Make some noise for my dad in the building tonight. And now listen, before I officially sign out, a special thank you to my sponsors of the night, Pepsi Cola, Airtel, Bell Lager, Spot TV, my family from NTV. And then of course I want to say thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you so much for believing in me. Nexus Lounge and Nexus Events, I want to say thank you so much. Optimum, I want to say thank you so much. Muliba Kabinyo. To my fathers of the industry, JK Kazora, I see you. I want to say thank you so much. I am who I am today because of J Kazora, this man right here. J Kazora, Yante Kapulore, Nemfuka MC. And before I knew it, I am standing on stage right now. J Kazora, I'll forever give you my flowers. MC Cuts, you welcome me in the business. I want to say thank you so much for every little bit that you did for me. Brian Isubikalu, you gave me a platform, laughters. Brian! I think Brian wants a soda beer, he wants a soda saint. So, Brian in Chakuwaja Saint Zag, wapanga beer na minute. Brian Isubikalu, wapanga beer na minute. Nembera kumuzinda lopaka emu ya kumacha. Nosa sulira swimming pool yo park. Brian, tugenda kubala ebitabo. Brian Isubikalu. I want to say thank you so much to everybody. Gratitude is everything. I want to say thank you so much. Before I sign out, JK, you take center stage.
All right.
I take Akasimba Katalekeka. So, Rita King. Where's Rita? Where's Rita? I've not seen Rita. Omanyi musalanye ekigambo. Where's Rita? Where's Rita? I want to speak to Rita. Chico! Rita aliwa. Chico! Rita aliwa. Eh? Where's Rita? Rita aliwa. Rita aliwa. Rita aliwa. For so long, mubadde musala ekigambo and you don't know what the truth is. This live on TV and before every blogger, before everybody that is watching this show tonight, this is my baby. This is my baby. This is